In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Odoo website. Adding a button can enhance the user experience and guide your visitors to take important actions, like signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Let's dive into this straightforward process together, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure that your website is even more engaging. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Odoo website where you have your account. If you haven't already logged in, now is the time to do so. Enter your credentials carefully to gain access to your dashboard. Once you're in, you should feel right at home if you've spent any time exploring your Odoo account. Now take a look at your dashboard, which acts as your control center for all the functionalities available in Odoo. From here, click on the website option. This feature lets you manage and edit all aspects of your web pages, making it an indispensable tool for building a great online presence. After clicking on Website, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the Edit button. Clicking Edit allows you to modify the content and layout of your website page. This is where we'll insert the button to enhance your page's functionality. As the page enters edit mode, ensure that the Blocks tab is selected. Odoo uses a system of blocks to organize content, making it easier to drag and drop various elements into your page design without needing extensive technical skills. It's user-friendly and highly customizable. In the Blocks tab, scroll through the options until you find the Inner Content section. Within this section, look for the Button box. This element box will allow you to create a call to action button that will add to your page. Now it's time to place your button. Click, hold, and drag the button box to any area on the page where blue guidelines appear. These blue guidelines indicate where the button can be placed and ensure that it aligns well with other elements on the page. Once you've found the ideal spot, release the button to drop it there. And that's it. You've successfully added a button to your Odoo website. Whether you use it for navigation, directing traffic to your favorite content, or creating an action item for your visitors, a well-placed button enhances the usability of your site. Remember, a well-placed button isn't just a design feature. It's a way to make sure your visitors can interact with your content in meaningful and directed ways. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.